Hello to everyone. Let's study about limits of a function. To my previous discussion, my x is approaches to infinity. But this discussion not included infinity. So that's why I need answers must be 0 or a number. I will not accept infinity answer in here. Okay? So I have here number 1, limits x approaches to 1. The function is x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. So if I will plug in x equals to 1, so the divisor will be 0. And then number divided by 0, that is infinity. So that's why I need another solution. So I will factor out the numerator. So limits x approaches to positive 1. So factor out the numerator. So this will be x. Since this is plus and minus, so this will be minus 1. Then x minus 1. Then x minus 1. Okay, let us check. Negative 1 times x is negative x. 1 times negative 1, that is negative x. So the same sign, copy the sign, and then add. So 1x, that will be 2x. Okay? So we come up the middle term of the numerator. So this will be crossed out. X minus 1 will be crossed out. So you have now limit x approaches to positive 1. So you have now x minus 1. And then I will plug in the value. Approaches to 1. So 1 minus 1. So my number 1 answer is 0. Okay, how about number 2? The same, if I will plug in straight away x approaches to negative 1/3. So this will be 0. Okay? Because 3 times negative 1/3 plus 1. So this will be negative 3 over negative positive 3 plus 1. So this will be negative 1 plus 1, that will be 0. So if the denominator will be 0, so the function will be infinite or infinity. So I will factor out also the numerator. So limit x approaches to negative 1/3. So factor out square root of 3x squared, that will be 3x. Then the other one also will be 3x because there are 2, right? And then factors of 1 is 1. Then take note, sign are positive. So this will be plus also. Then this will be over 3x plus 1. So one of the factors will be crossed out. So I have now limits x approaches negative 1/3. So this will be 3x plus 1. And then I will plug in x equals negative 1/3. So this will be 3 times negative 1/3 plus 1. So negative 3 over 3 plus 1. So negative 1 plus 1, the answer is also 0. Okay? Number 1 and number 2, answers are 0. Now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3. Limit x approaches to negative 3. Then the function is x to the 6 minus 7 to 9 x plus 3. Okay? So, if we substitute or plug in negative 3, my denominator will be 0. So, the function will be infinite or infinity. So, I will factor out the numerator. So, limits x approaches to negative 3. So, this will be x squared raised to the 3rd power. So, that will be 2 times 3, that will be 6. Minus 9 to the 3rd power, that will be 7 to 9 because 9 to the power of 3, that will be 9 times 9 times 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. Times 9, that is 7 to 9. Okay? Then, this will be over x plus 3. Then I will factor out x squared minus 9. So x approaches to negative 3. So, difference of 2 squared. So this will be x squared plus 9. Okay. Sorry, this is minus. Sorry, minus. Minus, and then this will be x squared squared, and then plus this will be 9x squared and then plus 81. Okay? Then this will be over x plus 3. And then we'll factor out this one also. So limits x approaches negative 3. This will be x. By the way, this is difference of 2 cubes. This one is difference of 2 squares. So this will be x squared minus 3 squared. Then this will be x to the 4th plus 9x squared plus 81. Then this will be over x plus 3. Okay? I will erase this one. So I have limits. X approaches to negative 3. Then I will factor out this one. This is difference of 2 squared. So this will be a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b. Circle brackets. Then circle brackets a minus b. Same with this one. This is a and this is b. So this will be x plus 3. Then x minus 3. Then times the remaining factors. This will be x to the 4th plus 9x squared plus 81. Then this will be over by x plus 3. So x plus 3 will be crossed out. So limits x approaches to negative 3. So I have now x minus 3. Then x to the 4th plus 9x squared plus 81. Okay, I will plug in negative 3 to the function. So this will be negative 3 minus 3. Then this will be negative 3 to the 4th plus 9 times negative 3 squared plus 81. So this will be negative 3, that will be negative 6. Square brackets, negative 3 raised to the 4th power, that is 81. Positive. Note that if this is negative, let's say this is negative 1 raised to even exponent, so meaning the sign must be positive. Now if this is negative 1 raised to odd exponent, so this will be negative. Okay? That's why negative 3 raised to the 4th power is positive 81. Then this will be plus 9. Okay, this is even, so this will be 9, positive. Then plus 81. Okay? And then this will be negative 6. 81 plus 81 plus 81. Okay, 81 times 3. This is 324, 243. So this is negative 6 times 243. Okay? So 243 times 6. This is 18, carry 1, 24, 25, carry 2, 12, 14. So the final answer is 1,458. Okay? So that's all for number 1, number 2, and number 3. The answer is negative 1,458. That's all. Thanks for watching.